Man, I'm bored. What will I do today? I have a great idea. I'm going to make a fake emergency alert system warning so that I can avoid watching Hero Elementary. Ha 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 ha.
Let's go for our lunch break.
Now, I will put this plan of mine into action. Oh no! Those two idiots are coming back. I'm using the magic hand to leave before I get caught. Well, that was close.
Do you want to watch TV with me?
Sure.
I understand you don't like Hero Elementary. But we will still watch it.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the Vian City area. Keep away from windows and other exterior places, go into the lowest area, and seek shelter. Stay away from mobile homes, as well as power lines, for they are hazardous. Repeat, this is no joke, it's real.
Oh no! A tornado is coming. Let's find a low level. Let's check the TV for updates.
Attention! This public service announcement is here to tell you that the tornado warning was fake. Let's hope that this does not happen again.
Forte, how dare you make a fake emergency alert system warning? Lots of people were scared to death because of what you've done. You're grounded for 89,043 years. As for your punishment, I will send you to the BND and WGBH Boston logos.
Oh no! This logo is going to be scary. I think this logo that is about to come will be scarier than the BND and logo. Both logos were scary, even though the second one I saw was scarier than the first one.
It doesn't matter. Go to your room now.